My name is Soraya. My student registration number is 31401900255. I'm from Accounting Study of Business and Economic Faculty from University of Sultan Agung Semarang. And this is my first year, and now I'm in the second semester of my study. Today, as my English last presentation project, I'd like to present to you about the growth of Indonesian total import value of oil and gas in Indonesia. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, hello everyone, how's your day? I hope it goes well and I hope you have a good day. First, before we started, we should know what is import value meaning. Based on Wikipedia, import value is a good or service bought in one country that was produced in another. If the value of the country's imports exceeds the value of its export, the country has a negative balance of trade, or we call it BOT, or also known as a trade deficit. Look at the scheme in the display. As we seen in the chart here, we've been through an up and down growth, or we can tell it's an extreme low and high differences of our import from year to year. As an example, we have a total import value of migas and non-migas here. First, in 2005, we have like 24% of total import. But in the next year, 2006, it goes pretty far down with almost touching 0%, which is 5.8% of total import value. Secondly, in 2007, as we can see from the chart, the value is not much different than year before, which is 21.8%. In 2008, it goes up again with 73.6%. And in 2010, it goes pretty extremely down with the value is below minus 25%. And fortunately, it goes up and stable again in 50% value. The import of oil and gas is in the lowest line than non-oil import lines, with the lowest range is minus 37.8%, with the highest range is 50% in the year 2005. In 2006, the import value goes down in 3.6% value, and the next year, which is 2007, it goes a little bit up with 15.4%. And there's not much differences from 2006 in the next year. 2008, the range is go up again with 39.6% value and still not stabilized, because in 2009, it goes very extremely down with the lowest range of all with minus 37.9%. But fortunately, in January until December 2010, it goes high up with 44.2%. And now I want to explain to you what is up with non-oil import. In 2005, non-oil has the most lowest value than total and oil gas value, which is 15.7%. But non-oil has the most highest import value than oil and gas, with the highest point in 2009 with 87.9% value. Now, we move to the next slide. Then, what is migas and non-migas even mean? Well, it's an Indonesian for natural oil and gas, and non-migas is an agricultural product except for oil and gas. For example, we have a petroleum, raw oil, and gas for migas, and palm oil, coffee bean, tea, and many more harvesting products for non-migas. Well, based from the chart, as the time goes by, from year to year, finally we can conclude that the growth of Indonesian total import value is not stabilized, because sometimes it goes extremely high like a skyrocket, and sometimes the value got dropped very low down the earth. That may be because of the economic growth, global market influence, and the rising of dollar currency. And here, based on the data Based on the data of the chart and conclusion we have above, now we know about the import growth of Indonesia and maybe it benefit us for increase our knowledge. Well, everyone, that's all I can tell with my presentation here. Stay safe and stay healthy, everyone. I'll see you on the next project. Thank you very much.